Hello everyone. This is 28th of October. Just wanted to quick update on regards to the market, BTC, ETH, Sol, and altcoins. Just a quick one, 3-4 minutes, quick update. In regards to BTC, I mean, we saw like let's say a move yesterday. We just like printed Asia high, Asia low of Monday. Um, for today, if you really would take like let's say the bias for a continuation to the upper side, this is an area for BTC that it's a must to hold this area in order to look for higher levels. They're not really shifting away from Asia low Monday, which is something fine. You might need to keep an eye on this level. We might just come one more time to sweep it. If a reclaim of this area, it's going to happen, and we're going to sustain, like let's say above these levels, we might run the highs and maybe to continue towards higher levels. It's the end of the month, so you're not going to be relying like really that much on major moves to happen to the upper side. But for the time being, that's the area to hold it on BTC. I mean, I would say like 112 or 112,800, something like this. That's the lowest, like let's say that she can go to it 200 plus minus something like this. That's in regards to BTC. Sol actually it's outperforming like let's say both BTC and ETH actually with the way how exactly it's moving and it's holding for the time being. That's where exactly we're holding. So it's kind of ranging between like let's say the 198 and the 208 region. 200 is a pivot level like to keep holding above it and just to sustain above it. Still like you might see around like let's say toward the 208 if BTC is going to behave and it's going to give us like let's say a move to the upper side. ETH, two things to look at it. One of them is just like we are losing the 4150, which is it's a major level for this week to reclaim it. This is a pivotal area for ETH. I mean, we moved to the upper side. We saw a closing of a daily candle above this level, but we didn't see a major, like let's say, closing above this level, which is it's a quarterly level and the yearly pivotal level. In terms of a 3 days time frame, we saw this closing. Gonna see this coming 3 days time frame candle when exactly we're gonna close it by Thursday. We're gonna reclaim. Then there is a possibility, like let's say, to push a little bit to the upper side, but I would align really ETH and also Sol, by the way, aligned fully with BTC. Now, in regards to gold, especially that we got all the way, like let's say, it dropped all the way to the downside. This is where exactly, like let's say, major levels to keep an eye on it on gold. For the time being, we are really losing the 3940, 3950 region, which is gonna open like let's say the door for lower levels to come. I would say for an intraday play, if you started seeing a 3961 as an example, a reclaim, it might get you a small scalp, like let's say to the upper side. I would say 3981. It's really the level that you might keep an eye on it. For I would say a better move to the upper side, just as an intraday. We're not talking about anything else. So the 3988 and the 3961. This is for a small scalp. This is like it might really give you like a move to the upper side toward this region and this area. These are just intraday, but as major pivotal levels that I'm keeping an eye on it. It's the 3855, 3838 region. And there is also to the downside these two areas where exactly 3733 all the way to 3762. I'm looking for some kind of major reversal to happen, like let's say from around these levels. This is pretty much like let's say all what I have for you guys. I'm gonna keep this a short one. It's the end of the month, so just please just manage your risk accordingly. Don't put really too much size. I'm not seeing any major swings to hold, like let's say as for now. Be mindful with the last update that I gave it to you previously. I'm still too open to see BTC sweeping this area, at least one of these, like let's say two levels, and still most probably also, by the way, we're going to be sweeping this area at some stage. So we'll see how exactly things it's going to unfold. Just make sure really to manage your risk as it's the end of the month. Stay safe and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers. Bye.